哎呦我的妈！
这年轻人。
哎呦我的妈！ 哎呦我的妈！
The dumbest TikTok trends to ever fucking exist. There was a beauty trend going around for a while where people would use Gorilla Glue to apply things like eyelashes, nails, etc. And some people were dumb enough to put this in their fucking hair. You know, a place where you kind of shouldn't put fucking Gorilla Glue on. They put a big fat label on the bottle telling you not to put the shit on your skin for a reason. It's an extremely strong adhesive that's meant for things like stone, wood, and glass. It's not a fucking beauty product. Another dumb beauty hack trend was the face wax challenge where people would put loads of wax all over their face and then peel it off. Now, in general, there's nothing wrong with waxing your face. It's a great way to get clear skin. But this shit was so over the top and covered your entire face, including the eyes. Not a good idea. Your skin is pretty easy to peel off, and I'm sure you like it on your face where it belongs. Another dumbass beauty hack was one where a bunch of wannabe Kylie Jenners put erection cream on their lips to make them more puffy. And while it does technically work, it's a very stupid thing to do. It's called erection cream and not lip filler cream for a reason. Experts say that doing something like this can cause pretty serious side effects, such as soreness, swelling, blisters, fluctuations in blood pressure. Oh, and how could I forget? Fucking heart problems!
Espérate, ya te doy, espérate. Ya te doy, espérate, ya te doy. He comprado otro chupón, ¿sí sabes? Ya le doy, cucha.
¿Quiere más?
Espérate. Toma. Toma. Ya, pues.
¿No quiere que le quite?
Ya, espérate, ya. Espérate. Ya te traigo. No, mire. Ya te traigo, a ver más. Espérate, ya te traigo, espérate. Ya, toma ya. Pero toma ya. Ya te traigo, espérate. Espérate. Ya te traigo. Ya le traigo la tetita, ya le traigo la tetita, espera, le voy a poner más leche. Ya te traigo. Ya. Pues ya te traigo. Ya le traigo la tetita. Ya. Ya te traigo, espérate. Yo no deja un ratito. Bueno, espérate, ya. Ay, ya te traigo. Ve, esta teta no es ni tuya. Yo no sé, espérate. Espérate que te pega. Ya, espérate. Ya, toma. Ya. Pero afloja, ¿qué vas a hacer? Ya.
This is a two-story RV.
Guys, this is the Keystone Montana 377 FL. This is a two-story RV. I cannot wait to show you. This is Montana. We got a nice painted fiberglass front cap, windshield right there. Coming on down the side, we got some storage here and here. Nice power awning with LED lights. Nice solid steps. 6-point electric leveling. And you can see the double action from the outside. You know what I'm talking about. Now, before we go inside, can I have you guys double tap that screen? Come on, double tap the screen and we'll go inside. Thank you, guys. Please enter. Walking on in, you're seeing that this is a front living room fifth wheel. So you're wondering, how can this sleep more than 2 people if it's a front living room? We'll show you in just a few moments. Right here, we have this awesome front living room. TV right here. The TV is on a televator, so it does go up and down. Coming on down these steps, we do have a breakfast bar attached to the kitchen. Solid surface countertops. Beautiful light cabinetry with the black handles. Right over here is your dinette and your residential refrigerator. Coming on over here, you can see that this is a huge bathroom. And if my camera guy goes inside, he is 6'3", and you will see that he has plenty of headspace in here.
In the shower too?
Yes!
Okay.
We need to see it, sir.
Great head height.
Yes, sir. And then coming on out, there is a nice toilet placement. And then there's the upstairs. But first, we got to show the downstairs. We will show that in just a few moments. Right here, downstairs into the bedroom, is a king-size bed. You're able to put a combo washer dryer here. Storage in the rear. Storage right here. It's absolutely amazing. And then finally, to wrap it all up, before we show that, there was actually a second door right here, which is very unique. And then I'm walking upstairs to the additional bedroom. This is absolutely amazing. There's no other fifth wheel in the market like it. It's 2 stories. And the fact that you're able to get an awesome front living room is absolutely amazing. But that's it, guys. I appreciate your heart in this. No likes and follows for part 2s. If you guys like RV tours like this, click that follow button for another one tomorrow.